am in Moab, Utah still. I am at a park called Lions Park. One of the coolest parks I've ever been to. I mean, just as soon as you park your car over here, you get to just check this sweet mountain out. Or I don't even know what to call these dang things. They're not mountains, they're just like, I don't know. Maybe in the comments you can let me know what they're called, or I'll just look it up on Google later. But anyways, we're gonna go on a pretty mega camping trip. I have 3 spots in mind, so I'm gonna have to camp, or I'm gonna camp 3 nights here in Moab, or around Moab. So there's 3, and Potash Road, Willow Springs Trail, and Gemini Bridge. So these 3 places are free to camp around Moab, or at least it says. There's a list of 9 I saw. I just did a quick Google search when I first got to Moab. But yeah, there's like a list of 9, but I'm just gonna do 3. I'm gonna stay in, I'm gonna do 3 more nights over here, and then I'm gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do after that. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys these campsites and go from there. I just realized it is Thursday, so Willow Springs is probably going to be the busiest tomorrow. So I'm going to go to Willow Springs first instead of Potash, or Potash Road, or whatever it is. And I'm going to check that one out. That one is only 15 minutes away. I did hear, though, that it's the busiest campground out of them all. Okay, I did make it over here. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I have 1 bar on a Verizon on my cracked phone. There is a lot of people already, like at just pulling up there. It's kind of cool. Like you can't really see anything right now, but I'll show you some more in the morning. But you just, as soon as you go down the road, there's like these little dirt pull-offs, and there's pretty much people in every single one of them. I just happened to find this little pull off. It's like big enough for a few cars, but I'm taking up the whole thing. It is very, very cold. Let me just show you that. Yeah, that's all ice, and I'm sleeping inside. It's all inside the car. Lovely. It's pretty sick that this is free to come camp. No complaints other than the cold. I mean, I found this cool little one-off area. Like nobody else can. I mean, I'm sure somebody else can come up in there, but that's pretty cool. Like Friday or through the weekend, or if it was summertime, I'm sure it would be so hard to find a spot over here. If this guy's sleeping in his tent, I don't know how in the world. Pretty sweet place. A lot of room for activities out here. It's night number 2, and we're gonna head over to Potash Road. Apparently there is another free campsite over there. I'm gonna go check this one out, see if it's actually free. That's the whole point of this, to see if they are actually free. This place is definitely ideal if you want to social distance, because you are out in the country. Also, it's probably a good place to come alone and get murdered. Wait, I kind of made it, there was a sign that was like 8 minutes before Potash Road or Potash Road, and it said no camping. So I went back probably about 10 more minutes, and I mean, this whole road is just filled with, I mean, it's just a bunch of nothing. So you could pretty much park wherever you want to. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool place out here. This is pretty cool if you have like an ultimate four-wheel drive. After that no camping sign, it looked like a bunch of cool Jeep trails and stuff. As a matter of fact, the Jeep passed me going into the going in there. Also, I highly recommend having a four-wheel drive to get over here. Slept okay last night. Nobody kicked me out. Yeah, this place is pretty cool. The only problem I think is it's out of the way, and the road getting here is pretty challenging. So I would definitely recommend a four-wheel drive. Toyota Corolla probably wouldn't make it up to where I made it up. But yeah, because you need some ground clearance. That's the only problem. And some of the campsites that you can pull off into, you definitely need some ground clearance. Cool campsite, highly recommend. I have made it to the final campsite. This is Gemini Bridge. So right off the bat, I noticed that there's like not too many places to park, it seems like. Maybe if you go through the trails a little bit more, like there's another big trail system over here, and that's, or at least it looks like it. I'm definitely new to the area. This is my first time here in Utah, period. So I'm sorry if I get something wrong, but yeah, there's a big trail system, it seems like. So I'm pretty sure you can like go in those trails and maybe find a spot, but it just right off the road, it's a little difficult. But I ended up finding a nice little area I will show you tomorrow. It seems pretty cool. I like how you can just go, there's a whole paved road, and then like for the majority of the way over here, and then you go down a dirt road that's way more packed than over there at the Potash Road. So I'm gonna get ready for bed, and I will see you in the morning, hopefully. So this is the final campsite that I found over here at Gemini Bridge. I just woke up. Very pretty, basically surrounded by canyons. I think this place might be my favorite out of the three, although you can't go wrong with any of them because they're all free. So yeah, and what's kind of cool I found out about this one, it seems like there's a mountain bike trail that I'm basically camping in, and it goes, I don't know how far it goes, but it goes up here. I went up there and I took a look at the canyon. Pretty sweet. Very, very pretty over here. The only problem with this and the Potash Road is it's just far away from Moab, but yeah, if you want to stay closer to Moab, then Willow Springs is it. And Willow Springs ain't bad, it's just there's a lot of people over there. And I have not seen one person over here, so that's cool. That all worked out. I didn't get kicked out of any. I didn't have to pay for any of them. They're legit 100% free. I will list all three of these down below. And also, there is a bunch more places you could stay at in Moab. Moab is pretty big, and there is a bunch of places where you can stay. So this was fun. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace out.